Registering an account on ELPRO Cloud is easy. On the login screen, which you can see on web.elpro.cloud, simply click on Register New Account. The first section is about your organization. Provide your organization's name, in our case, Paula's Pharmacy. Furthermore, insert your address, zip code, and city. In the end, select your country of origin. Furthermore, you are requested to also provide your tax ID or company ID. This allows us to issue business invoices correctly. In the second section, we need some information about you as the administrator for the organization account. Enter your first and last name. Furthermore, fill in your email address and your mobile phone number if you would like to receive alert messages via SMS. Obviously, you will have to define a password which, for security reasons, you're asked to enter twice. In the third section, you are asked to provide your credit card details, as licenses are purchased in ELPRO Cloud directly per sensor. At this point, however, no payment will be charged. Finally, confirm that you have read and understood the general conditions and related privacy policy for ELPRO Cloud and click on Register. There you go. Now open your email inbox to find a confirmation email. Click on the link in this email to confirm your registration. You are now ready to log into ELPRO Cloud.